I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. It was the year 2000, Y2K, and no, the world didn't end. AOL purchases the media giant Time Warner for $162 billion. PlayStation 2 is released. The 2000 Summer Olympics are held in Sydney, Australia. The International Space Station opens its doors to the first residential crew. And a new version of Microsoft Word introduces the WordArt feature. WordArt allows you to insert text following a preset graphic format. You type the text, and Word applies a fancy style. This feature lets you add interesting headers and other document elements. And it was silly, but people used it for flyers and fun projects and corporate arbitrage documents. WordArt vanished in Office 2007. The missing feature met with disappointment and scorn from various fans, and workarounds were available to restore WordArt, but they just weren't good enough. This feature didn't appear again until Word 2019 in Office 365, now Microsoft 365, where it lurks in the Insert tab in the Text group. To use WordArt, click the Insert tab. In the Text group, choose WordArt and select a style. An object appears in your document, complete with resizing handles and layout options button, all that fun stuff. Your job is to type some text in your document, something short and pithy, a heading or other attention grabber. That's it. The WordArt now works like any shape or picture. You can resize the image, change the layout options, and other trivial stuff.
I want more control.
When you click the WordArt object, the Shape Format tab appears. It offers features common to working with graphics in Word, but because you selected WordArt, you see, ta-da, the WordArt Styles group. You can reset WordArt styles by choosing an item from the gallery, or you can reset individual items here and apply special effects to make your WordArt appear unique.
WordArt is great! I use it to create the cover for my first novel, the story of a little boy who gets lost in the woods only to find a murder. It's the story of a little boy.
I only mentioned WordArt in passing in my word books, probably because I thought it was silly. And it is. If you want a professional document, you probably don't want to mess with WordArt. But if you're just having fun, or you're working on a multi-billion-dollar corporate merger, consider using WordArt to make a dull document more interesting.